The utensils are chopping board, knife, spatula, chocolate wicks, knife, fork, spoon, sauces, dish, cup, mixed bowl, chocolate pot, frying pot. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 1 tomato, 1 onion, 2 bars of chocolate, salt, 3 grams of butter, water, and milk.
Let's go to our preparation. First, the chocolate. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk, 2 bars of chocolate in the chocolate pot. We cook it for 10 minutes. And now the eggs. We chop onions and tomatoes in brunoise. We have 3 grams of the butter in hot frying pot. We wait until the butter smells. We use the spatula. So mad. The butter is mad. And now we add onions. We wait 1 minute. And now we add the tomatoes. And wait for 2 minutes. And now we break the egg. 1 and 2 eggs. Have a piece of salt. Squeeze them. Okay. Look it. And now mix them. Okay. And wait. We wait. It's so good, this egg. Toasted. The eggs is toasted. Kelly, do you like these eggs because it's toasted?
Yes.
Okay. So, slow fire. Okay, the egg is cooking. Finished. We stir the chocolate to have a delicious foam and serve in the cup. Okay, and now we serve the eggs in the dish with a spatula. Smells so good. It's toasty. Kelly, do you want?
Yes, of course.
Okay, to finish